Okay, but next we see the period of decimal. The period of decimal. Okay, we see one example, the 25 divided by the 7. We see the one example, the 25 divided by 7. We find out the period of decimal. Okay, therefore we take the 25 and divide it by the 7. Therefore 3 7s are the 21. The remainder is the 4. The 7 is not divided the 4. Therefore, you put the decimal point and add 10 to 4. Therefore, 5 7s are the 5 7s are 35. Therefore, we are getting the remainder is the 5. The 7 not divide the 5. Therefore, add 10. The 7 7s are 49. Therefore, we are getting remainder is 1. The 7 not divide the 1. Therefore, add 10. 1 7 is the 7. We are getting remainder is the 3. Therefore, 7 not divide the 3, add 10 again. Next, the 4 7s are the 28. We are getting remainder is 2. Next, 7 not divide the 2, add 10. Therefore, the 2 7s are the 14. Therefore, remainder is the 6. The 7 not divide the 6, add 10. Therefore, 8 7s are the 56. 8 7s are 56. We are getting the remainder is the 4. The first remainder is the 4, and you see here is also we are getting the remainder is the 4. Therefore, we are getting again and 4 is the remainder. Therefore, this process are repeated again. Okay. Therefore, we leave it. Next, you write the decimal form is the 3.571,428 etc. Okay. Now you see this 571,428 is repeated again. These values are repeated again. Therefore, we write it 225 divided by 7 equal to 3.571,428 bar. We write the bar. Therefore, 571,428 repeated again. Therefore, we from the 571,428 upon we put the bar. Okay. Therefore, you count the digits. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 6 digits. Therefore, the period of decimal is 6. Therefore, period of decimal equal to 6. Okay, you count the digits, repeated digits. You count the repeated digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 digits are repeated again. Therefore, the period of decimal is 6. The example 2.4. Convert the decimal numbers in the form of the P by Q. The P by Q means what? P by Q means the fraction. This fraction is otherwise called the rational number. You see the decimal 0.35. You see these decimal places are the 2-digit decimal places. It is the first digit, it is the second digit. It is a 2-digit decimal number. Therefore, we write it in a rational form, that is a fractional form. Therefore, 35 divided by the 100. Therefore, here is the 2 place decimal. It is a 2 place decimal. It is a first digit. It is a second digit. Therefore, you multiply the divide by the 100. Therefore, 35 divided by 100 is the fractional form. P by Q form of this decimal 0.35. Then we simplify it. The reduce by 5. The 7 5s are the 35 and 20 5s are the 100. Next, the 2.176. The 2.176. We write this decimal into a fraction, that is a rational number. Okay, now you count the decimal values. You say 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 decimal places occur. Therefore, 3 decimal places occur. You write the number in whole 2176. 3 decimal places occur. Then only I divide by the 1000. Therefore, we reduce by 8. Therefore, the 2 8s are the 16. The remainder is the 5. 57. For 57, the 7 8s are the 56. The remainder is the 1. Therefore, you take the 16. The 2 8s are the 16. Therefore, divided by 8 divide the 1000 is the 125 times. Okay. Therefore, 272 divided by the 125 is the fractional form or rational form of the 2.176. Next, third one, minus 0.0028. We convert this into a fractional number, that means a rational number. You count the decimal values here. The 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 decimal places occur. Therefore, we write the number in whole. The minus 28 divided by, here is the 4 decimal places occur. Therefore, I divided by the 10,000. Next, we reduce by 4. I reduce the 4, reduce by 4. The 7 4s are 28 and 2500 into 4 gives the 10,000. Therefore, we are getting the value is the minus 7 divided by 2500. Next example 2.5. Convert the following decimal numbers in P by Q form. P by Q means that is a fractional form. That means otherwise it is called a rational number. Okay. Therefore, it is a 0.3 bar. Therefore, bar is come. Therefore, this 3 is repeated again. Therefore, we write it to the 0.33333 etc. Therefore, this repeated the decimal is occur. That decimal form is called non-terminating and recurring decimal. Therefore, it is a non-terminating and recurring decimal. Okay. Now, you see the first I take the value x equal to, I take x equal to the 0.333 etc. Okay, the 3 is etc. The 3 continues again. Therefore, how many? Therefore, we take the more 3s. Therefore, 3, 3, 3, 3 etc. Okay. Next, what the number is repeated? The 3 is repeated again. The 3 is repeated again. Therefore, I multiply by the 10. Therefore, 3 is occurring in the first place decimal. Okay, this 3 is repeated again. Therefore, the first place number is the 3. Then only I take the this place value is the 10. Therefore, I multiply by the 10. Therefore, 10 into x. Therefore, 10 into x we get the 3 is changed to the whole number. Convert to a whole number. Therefore, 3.333 etc. I give the equation name, that is a 1 and 2. Therefore, 2 minus 1. The second equation minus first equation. Okay, the first equation is the smallest one. Second one is the biggest one. Therefore, for easy for subtraction, we take the second minus first. That is the biggest to smallest. Okay. Therefore, I take the second. The 10x equal to 3.333 etc. Therefore, x value is the 0.333 etc. For subtraction, we say the second term sign is the change. There is a plus sign. Therefore, change to minus. It is also the plus is change to minus. Therefore, 10x minus x, we get the value is the 9x. Next, the same value, these are the same value. The same values are cancelled for in the subtraction. We get the value is the 3. Therefore, x equal to, we take the 9 to right hand side, we get the 3 by 9. Therefore, x equal to, we reduce it, we get the value, the 1 by 3. Therefore, fractional form, we get in the fractional form, that is a 1 by 3. Therefore, we write the 0.3 bar is in the fractional form is the 1 by 3. That is the, this is the answer. You see the second division, 2.124 bar. The 124 bar. Therefore, 124 is repeated again. Therefore, we write 2.124, 124, 124, etc. Okay. Therefore, it is repeated again. Therefore, I write 124, 124, 124, etc. I take this as a x. Therefore, x equal to the 2.124, 124, 124, etc. Now, you see which one is repeated again? The 124 is repeated again. Therefore, this 124 is in the decimal form. The decimal value is the, it is the tens, hundred, thousand. It is a 1000. Therefore, multiply by the 1000. Therefore, multiply by 1000. Therefore, 100, 1000x equal to, here I multiply to the 1000. I get the value 124 is come to the whole number. Therefore, 2124.124, 124, 124, etc. It is a first one. It is a second equation. We comparing the both equations. The second equation is the biggest one. The first one is the smallest one. Therefore, biggest minus smallest we for using the subtraction. Therefore, second minus 1. The second equation is the 1000x equal to 2124.124, 124, 124, etc. Next, first equation is the x equal, here is the whole number is the 2, therefore 2 point. Next 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, etc. For subtraction, the sign of the second equation is changed. X is the plus number, plus variable, therefore sign is changed to minus. The number 2 is the plus, the sign is changed to minus. Okay, the same value are the cancelled, same values are cancelled. Therefore, we get 1000x minus x, 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 is the 999. The variable is the x equal to, we subtract the 2 here, therefore 2 1 2 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 1 2 2 divided by 999. Therefore, the fractional form is the fractional form of 2.124 bar equal to 2122 divided by the division 0.45 bar. The bar appear on only on 5. Okay, bar is appear only on 5. Therefore, 5 only repeated again. Therefore, we write 0.45555. The 5 only the repeated. Now you see, we take this as x. Therefore, x equal to 0.45555, etc. Okay, I give the number is 1. Therefore, you see the 4 is non-repeated number. The 4 is non-repeated number. This 4 is occurring in the first place decimal. Therefore, first place decimal, it is the 10th place. Okay, 4 is occurring in the 10th place decimal. Therefore, I multiply by 10. Okay, I multiply by 10. I convert the 4 to the whole number. Therefore, 1 multiplied by the 10. We get 10x equal to, we multiply by 10. This 4 is convert to the whole number. Therefore, 4.5555, etc. Okay, it is the second equation. It is the second equation. Next, you see the 5 is repeated again. Okay, the 5 repeated number is the 5. You see the 5. You see the first equation. The 5 is repeated. Now, first we see non-repeated number 4. Secondly, we see repeated number. The repeated number is the 5. The 5 is occurring in the second place decimal. Therefore, second place decimal means there is a 100 place. Okay, therefore you multiply by 100. Okay, first equation we multiply by the 100. First equation we multiply by 100. Therefore, we get the 100x equal to, therefore 0. We multiply by 100. The 4 5 is changed to the whole number. The another are the 5 5 5 5, etc. This one is right to the third number equation. Okay, now you compare the second equation and the third equation. The third equation is the biggest one. Okay, therefore the biggest minus smallest we do is easy. Therefore, the third equation minus second equation. Therefore, 100x equal 4.5555, etc. The second equation is the 10x equal to the 4.5555, etc. Therefore, for subtraction, the second equation sign is changed. It is the plus, therefore change to minus. The number 4 is sign is plus, we change to minus. The 100 minus 10 is the 90. We get the 90x equal to 45 minus 4. We getting value is the 41. And these values are the same value. All the values are cancelled. Therefore, 41.0. Okay. Therefore, we write here the x equal to 41 divided by 90. Therefore, the decimal form of 0.45 bar is the 41 divided by the 90. Okay, next fourth division 0.568 bar. 68 bar. Okay, bar upon only on the 68. Therefore, 68 only repeated. 68 only the repeated. Therefore, 0.5. 68 only repeated. Therefore, write 68, 68, 68, 68, etc. Okay. Now you see, you take this as x. Therefore, x equal to 0.568, 68, 68, 68, etc. Okay. Now you see, you take this as your first equation. Now you see the decimal form. The 5 is not repeated number. 68 is repeated number. The 5 is non-repeated number. 5 is non-repeated number. This number is occurring in the first place decimal. The first place means 10th place. Therefore, we multiply by 1. Therefore, multiply by the 10. 1 into 10. Therefore, 10x equal to, multiply by 10, the 5 is make a whole number. Okay. Therefore, 5.68, 68, 68, 68, etc. The 5 is in the form of a 5 is changed to the whole number. Okay. Next, you see the first equation. It is a second equation. Next, you are going to see the first equation. The 68 is the repeated number. 68 is repeated number. Therefore, 68. Therefore, the 8 is occurring in the decimal value is the 1, 2, 3. 3 place decimal. 3 place decimal means there is the 1000. Therefore, 1 into 1000. We write the 1 into 1000. We convert the 568 as a whole number. Therefore, we get the 1000x equal to 568.68, etc. Therefore, it is the third equation. Now, you compare the second and the third, the two equations. The third equation is the biggest one, and the second equation is the smallest equation. Therefore, we subtract the third equation to the second equation. Okay. Next, you take the 1000x third equation, the 568.68, etc. Therefore, second equation is 10x. Therefore, write 10x equal the 5.68. For subtraction, the sign change. Therefore, plus means we change to minus. The plus means we change to minus. The 1000 minus 10 is the 990x equal to 568 minus 5. We are getting the 563. Next, these are the same value, cancel. Therefore, x equal to 563 divided by 990. Therefore, decimal form of 0.568 bar is the fractional form is the 563 divided by 990. Now, classify the decimal expansion without actual division. Classify the decimal expansion. அப்போ classify means what are the decimal expansion பார்த்து நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், அதை ஃப்ராக்ஷனை பார்த்து அந்த ஃப்ராக்ஷன் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமலாக வருமா அல்லது நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமலாக இருக்குமா அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல் ஆர் நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல் அப்படின்னு கிளாஸிஃபை பண்ண போகிறோம். இப்போது கிவன் யூ சி த ரேஷனல் நம்பர் இஸ் இந்த ஃபார்ம் இஸ் த P/Q. இந்த P/Qங்கிற ஒரு ஃபார்மை டினாமினேட்டர் மட்டும், இந்த டினாமினேட்டர் Q இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த Qவை மட்டும் இந்த மாதிரி பிரிக்கலாம் 2 into 5. அப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா படி இது ஒரு ஃபார்முலா P divided by 2/m into 5/n. இந்த ஃபார்முலா பேட்டர்னில் டினாமினேட்டரை பிரிக்க முடிஞ்சதுன்னா, அதாவது 2 into 5 இந்த பேட்டர்னில் வந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். இந்த பேட்டர்னில் எழுத முடியல அப்படின்னா அது நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். ஓகே, இதில் பிறகு example sum, the 2.6, the example 2.6, the first division 13 divided by the 64, the 13 divided by the 64. You see the denominator 64, the 64 நம்ம பிரிக்க போகிறோம். அப்போ therefore we factorizing the 64, the 2 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணுவோம், the 32 again divide by the 2 we get the 16, again divide by the 2 get the 8, divide by the 2 getting the 4, divide by the 2 2. Now you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 2s are up here. Therefore 13 divided by 2 to the power of 6. Next the 2 to the power of 6 into 1 அப்படின்னு போடும்போது நமக்கு வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. 2 power 6 into 1, அதாவது 64 into 1 அப்படின்னு போட்டால் வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. and 64 into 1 gives us 64. அப்போ 1ஆல் மல்டி பண்ணால் வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. இந்த இடத்துல பாருங்கள் 2 5, இந்த 2 5 வந்தால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு அது டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். அப்போ இந்த ஒன்றுங்கிறது நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம், எப்படி எழுதணும் பாருங்கள். the since 1 equal to இந்த இங்கே 2 வந்துடுச்சு, அடுத்தது 5 தான், ஃபார்முலா படி 5 தான் வரணும். அப்போது 5 to the power of 0 அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். இப்போ 5 power 0 gives the 1. 5 power 0 value 1. அப்போ இந்த பிளேஸில் ஒன்றுக்கு பதிலாக 5 power 0 அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எழுத முடியும். அப்போது 13 divided by 2 power 6 into 5 power 0. இப்போ கம்பேர் த ஃபார்முலா அண்டு டினாமினேட்டர். ஃபார்முலாவில் பாருங்கள், இந்த ஃபார்முலாவில் 2 power m இப்போ 2 power 6ன்னு இருக்குது. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 5 power n, அப்போ 5 power n, n plus is the 0. அப்போ பேஸ் இஸ் த 25, ஹியர் இஸ் ஆல்சோ பேஸ் இஸ் த 25. இப்போ ஃபார்முலா எப்படி இருக்கோ அதேபடியே நம்மளுக்கு சம்மு மாற்றியாச்சு. அப்போ இது என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இட் இஸ் ஏ டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். இட் இஸ் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா பேட்டர்னில் இதை பிரிக்க முடியல, 2 into 5 அப்படி பிரிக்க முடியலன்னா அது வந்து நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். See the second division, -71 divided by 125. இதை வந்து டிவைட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. இதை டிவைட் பண்ணி டெசிமலாக கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். இதை டிவைட் பண்ணாமல் நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போகிறோம்னா, இந்த ஃபார்முலா பேட்டர்னில் 2 into 5 அப்படிங்கிறது பேட்டர்னில் இந்த 125 பிரித்து பார்க்குறோம். பிரித்தோம்னா இதே 2 into 5 பேட்டர்னில் வந்துச்சுன்னா இது டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். அப்படி வரலைன்னா இது என்னது, நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். இப்போ 125 எடுத்துக்கலாம். 125 we factorizing it. அப்போ 5 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னா 25 times. Next again divide by the 5, we get the 5. Therefore 3 5's appear. Therefore we write -71 divided by the 5 cube. Next step, we write it to the -71 numerator அப்படி வச்சுக்கலாம். The 5 cube. அப்போ 5 into 1 அப்படின்னு போட்டோம்னா 1ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. We multiply by 1, the value is not altered. ஓகே, அப்போ 1 பிளேஸில் என்ன செய்யலாம், since the 1 equal to ஃபார்முலாவில் பாருங்கள், ஃபார்முலாவில் 2 into 5 இருக்குது. இங்கே 5 வந்துருச்சு. அப்போ என்ன வேணும், 2 தான் வேணும். அப்போ we write the 2 power 0ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். We write the 2 power 0. Therefore 2 power 0, anything power 0, value is the 1. ஏதாவது நம்பருக்கு மேலே 0 வந்து பவரில் 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா வேல்யூ 1. பவரில் 0 வந்தாவே வேல்யூ இஸ் த 1. Therefore 2 power 0, the value is the 1. Okay, therefore 1க்கு பதில் என்ன செய்யலாம், for the in the place of the 1, we substitute the 2 power 0. Therefore -71 divided by 5 cube into 2 power 0 அப்படின்னு எழுதலாம். Now compare the formula. Formula having the base is the 2, base is the 5. Now you see the base is the 5, base is the 2. Therefore it is like as a formula. Okay, therefore it is terminating decimal. Therefore it is terminating decimal. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா பேட்டர்னில் வரல அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் எ டெர்மினேட்டிங் டெசிமல். ஓகே, யூ see the question, the 43 divide by the 375. இதை 375ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் ஒரு டெசிமல் கிடைக்கும். அந்த டெசிமல் வந்து டெர்மினேட்டிங்காக நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங்காக அப்படின்னு டிவைட் பண்ணால் தெரியும். ஆனால் இந்த இடத்துல டிவைட் பண்ணாமல் இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி இதை டெர்மினேட்டிங்காக நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங்காக அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். அப்போ 375 எடுத்துக்கிறோம். 375 we factorizing it, 5 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணிக்கோ. The 7 5s are 35, remainder is the 2, 25, 5 times. Therefore 5 is the 15 times. Next 5 divided 3 times. அப்போ we get the factors are the 43 divided by 375 equal to 43 divided by 375 factors are the 5 appear 3 times. We write the 5 to the power of 3. 3 is appear 1 time. Therefore 3 power 1. Okay, but you see the formula 2 base is the 2, base is the 5. But here you see the base is the 5, base is the 3. Okay, therefore 3 is not allowed in the formula. You see it may not appear in the formula. 3 is not appearing in the formula. The formula pattern for the denominator is 2 into 5. But here is the 5 into 3. Therefore it is not in the same as a formula. Okay, therefore it is non-terminating recurring decimal. Therefore it is not a terminating decimal. It is non-terminating recurring decimal. Therefore it is non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. The formula patternல பிரிக்க முடிஞ்சா இந்த டினாமினேட்டர் எப்படிக்கு 2 into 5. அந்த 2 into 5 பேட்டர்னில் இதை பிரிக்க முடிஞ்சதுன்னா அது டெர்மினேட்டிங். இந்த 2 into 5 பேட்டர்னில் இதை பிரிக்க முடியல அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் நான் டெர்மினேட்டிங் ரெக்கரிங் டெசிமல். Next you see the fraction 31 divided by the 400. Therefore, you take the 400 and we factorizing it. You divide by the 2, we are getting the value 200. Again divide by 2, we are getting the 100. Again divide by 2, 50. Again divide by 2, get the 25. Therefore, 5 into 5. Now you see the 31 divided by 400 is right as a 31 divided by 2 appear 4 times. Therefore, we write 2 to the power of 4. The 5 appear 2 times. We write the 5 to the power of 2. Now you see 2 into 5. It is in the form of the 2 into 5. You see the formula 2 into 5. Therefore, this denominator is like as a formula. Okay. Therefore, it is like as a formula. Therefore, it is a terminating decimal. Therefore, it is terminating decimal. It is a terminating decimal. Next example 2.7. Verify that 1 equal 0.9 bar. Okay, these both values are equal. We verify. First I take the x equal to 0.9 bar. The 9 bar is right to the 0.9 is repeated. 9 bar means 9 is repeated again. Therefore, write the 9999 etc. Okay, therefore x is 0.99999 etc. It is the equation number 1. You take the number is the 1. Next you see the 9 is repeated. Therefore, 9 is in the place of the first place decimal. Okay, first place decimal. Therefore, we want to change the 9 to the whole number. Therefore, you multiply by 10. Therefore, 1 multiply by 10. Therefore, we get the 10x equal to. Therefore, multiply by 10. This 9 is make a whole number. Therefore, 9.9999 etc. Therefore, it is a second equation. Now, you compare the second equation and the first equation. Second one is the bigger. Therefore, the second equation minus the first equation. Therefore, you write 10x equal 9.9999 etc. And the first equation is the x equal 0.9999 etc. Therefore, for subtraction, the sign change. Therefore, it is a plus means minus. Therefore, it is the decimal value, all the decimal values cancel. The 10x minus x, we get the 9x equal to 9. Therefore, x equal to 9 by 9. Therefore, x value is the 1. Therefore, we proved 0.9 bar value is the 1. Okay, that's all the answer. Dear students, I hope you all are understand this sum also. If you have any doubt in the sum, you call by phone. I clear your doubts. Okay, thank you.